Hello friends, in this video we are going to prepare an estimate of an RCC beam of clear span that is 7.15 meters. So 7.15 meters, you can see the span of this beam is 7.15 meters and of section 230 by 600 mm. So width of the beam is 230 mm and depth is 600 mm, right? So and we are going to prepare the schedule of bars also. We will prepare the schedule of bars, right? So first let us see this, let us study this beam now, what all things have been given. So the clear span is 7.5 meters and support length is 0.5 meters on both sides, correct? Next is, you can see here we have the top bar. So you can see this top bar, it is like we have two bars of 16 mm dia plus one bar of 12 mm dia, right? So here you can see, if you see the cross section, here we have, so outer bars are two bars of 16 mm dia and in the center one bar is 12 mm dia, right? Then next is that here you can see extra bar we have at the center top, that is we have three bars of 20 mm dia which is 3 meters long, right? If you see, if you cut the section at the center now, here if you cut the section, you can see now we have 3 bars of 20 mm dia, 3 bars of 20 mm dia, right? Then next, if you see the bottom bars now, this is the bottom bar we have. So these bottom bars are 2 bars of 20 mm dia plus 1 bar of 16 mm dia. If you see the cross section, this bar and this bar, outer bars, they are 2 bars of 20 mm dia, the center bar is 16 mm dia, right? So if you see at the center, we have extra bars which is 3 bars of 25 mm dia, 4.5 meters long, right? So you can see 3 bars of 25 mm dia. So is this top row, you can see this is 3 bars of 25 mm dia which is 2.5 meters long. Next is, here you can see the stirrups what we have. So from here till here the spacing is like 2-legged 8 mm at 100 mm center to center. So near the supports spacing is 100 mm center to center, right? At in the center, if you see, spacing is 15 centimeters or 150 mm center to center. This is the given data. So as per this, we will try to prepare an estimate, right? We will start now calculating. So first is, we will calculate now RCC or concrete quantity. How to calculate now concrete quantity? We will take, concrete is being calculated in cubic meters. That means we will take this length. Length is 7.15 meters. We have one beam of length 7.15 meters. Next width is 0.23 meters. Breadth is 0.23 meters. Now depth. Depth, what happens is that this total depth is 600 mm. But depth only we have to take this bottom portion. Top portion, this is going to come in the slab. This will be calculated in the slab. So remaining portion is 450 mm. So therefore we are going to take this as 450 mm, right? Already in the class I had said you, so up to below this portion, this will be taken in the column part. This inner face of this column to the inner face of the column we are going to take as a beam, and the top portion will come in the slab. Already while explaining you the IS 1200 part 2 code, I had explained you, right? So this is how we are going to calculate the concrete quantity. If you multiply, you will get answer as 0.74 cubic meters. Now let us calculate the steel quantity of this RCC beam. So this has to be calculated in schedule of bars, or we call it as a bar bending schedule. So let us see this format first. Here this is the serial number, particulars of item. We are going to write the diameter of the bar, how many numbers we have. Next is length of the bar, straight length, plus if you have any hook or bend, that length has to be added. So how to get this total length now? So total length will be equal to this straight length plus hook or bent up length. If you are going to add up this, you will get this total length. Next is weight per meter. How to calculate this? D square divided by 162. D has to be substituted in mm. Next is this total length multiplied by weight. If you are going to multiply, you will get total weight of the bar, right? In this way, in this table we are going to calculate the steel quantity. So let us calculate now top bar, right? If you see this top bar, we have 2 bars of 16 mm dia plus 1 bar of 12 mm dia. So let us calculate now 2 bars of this 16 mm dia. if you see the cross section, these corner bars are 2 bars of 16 mm dia we have. So this is the sketch, this is how the bars are being placed. 16 mm dia bars we have, 2 numbers. Now we have to calculate the length, So if you see, the clear span is 7.15 meters plus 0.5 plus 0.5. So therefore total length is 8.15 meters. So here I have to subtract cover, and here also I have to subtract cover. 40 mm on left side, 40 mm on right side, right? So 8.15 is the total distance minus 40 mm into 2. If you are going to subtract, you will get length as 8.07 meters, right? Next is this bend length, right? If hook is being provided, you can take 9 times diameter of the bar. If bend is there, so minimum is like we have to provide 90 mm for the 16 mm dia bar. If you want, you can refer the table what I had shown in the earlier video. I will take 100 mm as the bend length. So therefore here we will take 100, here we will take 100. So therefore 200 mm, 0.02, right? So now total length, how to calculate the total length now? First is 8.07 plus 0.02. This is nothing but length of one bar. So multiplied by 2, you will get 16.18 meter. This is the total length of the bar. So next is weight per meter. So we have to, how to calculate? D square by 162, right? 16 square by 162. 16 multiplied by 16 divided by 162, you will get answer as 1.58 kg per meter. Next is total weight. 16.18 multiplied by 1.58, that is 25.564 kg. So this much kg of steel is required for this top bar. Next we will calculate this 12 mm bar. This 12 mm bar, only one number we have, right? So therefore again it is placed in the same way. 12 mm bar, one number. This length will remain same. This hook also, bend also will provide 100 mm on two sides. So this total length will be now 8.07 plus 0.02 multiplied by 1, that is 8.09 meters. Weight per meter is 0.88. If you multiply, you will get answer as 7.1. Next is we will calculate this bar now, top bar which is placed at the center. So here we have 3 bars of 20 mm dia, 3 meters long, right? Next is we have, this is the sketch we have 20 mm dia bars, 3 numbers, length is 3 meters. I will take 100 mm bend on two sides, 200 mm. If you add up, we will get this 3 bars length, multiply by its weight, we will get the total weight. So this is regarding the top bars. Next we will try to calculate now bottom bars, right? So this is the bottom bar, this is how the bar is being placed. We will try to calculate 25 mm bars, 3 numbers, right? You can see we have 3 bars of 25 mm dia, 4.5 meters long, right? So we have 3 bars of 25 mm dia, length is 4.5 meters. So plus additional for this bend and this bend, I will take 100. So total length will be 13.56. Multiply by its weight per meter, we will get answer as 52.206 kg. Next is we will try to calculate now remaining bars, right? So you can see now here at the bottom, if you see 2 bars of 20 mm dia, 1 bar of 16 mm dia, right? If you take this 2 bars of 20 mm dia, 2 numbers, this is sketch. So now this length will remain same again. Total length, that is 8.15 minus cover on both the side, 8.07 multiplied by plus, so what you can say, bend length. If you add up this and multiply by 2, you will get 16.18. Multiply by its weight per meter, you will get answer as 39.803. Similarly, we have 16 mm bar now. 16 mm, 1 bar we have. So you can see 16 mm, 1 bar, length will remain same. This bend length, add up, multiply, you will get 8.09. Multiplied by weight per meter, you will get answer as 12.782 meters. This is regarding top bar and bottom bars. Next is we have to calculate now stirrups. We have to calculate for the stirrups now. First thing is that we have to, like if you see the figure here, from the support till 1.5 meter, 1.4 meters, we have 2 legged 8 mm at 10 centimeter center to center. So this and this at the support, it is spacing is 100 mm, in center spacing is 150 mm, right? So this will calculate how many numbers and this will calculate how many numbers we have. right? So how to calculate the number of stirrups, how to calculate this number of stirrups now, right? So you can see the length, it is 1.4 meters, right? That is 1.4 we have, divided by spacing, that is 10 centimeters, right? That is 10 centimeters divided by 0.1 plus 1, if you add you will get the numbers, that is 15 numbers, 15 numbers on left side, 15 numbers on right side. So therefore 30 numbers we have, therefore 30 numbers we have. We will write here 2-legged 8 mm dia about 100 mm, center to center 8 mm dia we have, 30 numbers we have. Next is we have to calculate the length, we have to calculate the length. So this is the how the stirrups are provided now. How to calculate now? So L1 2 times L2, this is what you can say, L2 we have, that is 2 times we have to multiply. How to calculate this L1 and L2 now? Width of the beam is 230, I will take cover as 60, right? I will take here this total width is 230, 30 mm cover here I will leave left side, 30 mm right side, right? So therefore 60 mm, 230 minus 60, 230 minus 60 means this bottom length we are going to get, right? So in this way 2 numbers we have, 2 length we have, right? 2 times of this plus what you do next is this length has to be calculated, 600 mm top cover bottom cover, 30 you subtract, 600 minus 60 multiplied by 2, that means you will get this what you can say, this vertical, 2 numbers, so whole multiplied by 2. If you add up this you will get 1.42 meters. This is the straight length, only we have got this length now, 2 times of L1 plus L2, 2 times of L1 plus L2 is 1.42 meters, correct? Next is we have to calculate this, hook length. How to calculate the hook length? It is 24D, right? 2 times of 12D, right? This is what you can say, 2 times of 12D, that is 2 times of 12 into 8 mm dia we have, therefore it is 192 mm. So one hook length is 192 mm, right? So now we have to calculate the total length. So 1.42 plus 0.192, this is one length, multiplied by how many numbers? 30 numbers. 30 if you multiply, you get total length as 48.36, right? Then next is weight per meter, means you have to calculate d square by 162. If you multiply, you will get the answer as this, right? This is for the support stirrups what we have. Next is we have to calculate now in between this spacing now. 1.4 we have calculated, 1.4 we have calculated, remaining has to be calculated now. How to calculate now? This total length is 7.15 minus 1.4 into 2 times, right? So 7.15 minus 1.4 into 2, that is 2.8. 7.15 minus 2.8 divided by spacing, that is 0.15, right? Already here we have taken extra bar, so therefore here we are going to subtract, so therefore we are going to take minus 1, therefore we will have 28 numbers of bar, right? 2-legged 8 mm dia about 150 mm center to center, 8 mm bar, 28 numbers we have. This length also remains same, this hook length also will remain same. If you add up, multiply, you will get 45.136, weight per meter is 0.39. If you multiply, you will get answer as 17.603 kg, right? So if you are going to sum up all the weights, you will get final answer as 196.226 kg. This much kg of steel is required. So this is what we are going to do it in bar bending schedule, right? So this weight has to be written in the estimate now. Steel quantity required for RCC beam is 196, this is not 199, it is 196 kg, 196 kg we have. So if you multiply this by the rates like RCC works and the steel work, you are going to get the cost of that work. In that way we are going to prepare an estimate of the beam, right? Further if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.